Are you snoring or struggling with sleep apnea? Here's how jaw surgery can help you breathe better while you sleep. Jaw surgery, called as orthodontic surgery, isn't just about looks. It can reposition your jaw to open up your airway, reducing snoring and improving sleep apnea. A misaligned or recessed jaw can block your airway while you sleep, making it hard to breathe and cause loud snoring. Jaw surgery corrects the alignment, giving your airway more space and letting you sleep peacefully. It's effective for people with severe snoring, sleep apnea, or breathing issues caused by jaw misalignment. No temporary fixes, long lasting results, better sleep, and improved overall health. After surgery, you can notice better breathing immediately, with continued improvement in sleeping quality and energy over the following months. Wondering if jaw surgery is right for you? Book your consultation at Oramax Dental Clinic and breathe easier every night because a specialist can do a job way better.